Welcome back to Ecocentric Homestead. I encourage gardeners to grow and save their own seeds if possible. This video is about growing rutabaga seed, starting in October of 2018. Enjoy! So I pulled up all the turnips and rutabaga, and this is what I got here. Over in this wheelbarrow I have 6 of the best rutabaga. I didn't cut the roots off them because I'm going to bring them over across to the sunny patch now and plant them to grow seed next year. Plant them there. This is what your plants will look like when you let your rutabaga go to seed in the second year. They grow quite tall with the regular flowers. Any of the brassicas, they put out the flowers that look pretty much the same. And in the next couple of days I have to put some stakes around, because when these go to seed, the weight of the seed, they'll just fall down and they get in the way of walking. They'll grow just fine, the seed will be good, but then they're in the way. This one here now is already starting to lean over, but as you can see, the pods are growing. Going along this bed, here's what I did around the rutabaga seeds so that they don't just fall out into the pathway. Otherwise they'd be fell right down on the ground now. A good crop of rutabaga seed there. So the time's come now to harvest the rutabaga seed. And to do so, you check this stem now is dried up all the way back to here. So all of these seeds on this stem is ready to be harvested. In fact, I just noticed one of the pods is broken open. Now I have this big bowl and you just squeeze the pods over the bowl and they will pop open. So I'll give you more. So there you can see the outside of the pods and the seed that I just harvested in there. And that's it. And I'm going to harvest all of these and show you what I got when I'm done. Now I want to show you, if you cut and the stem is still not dry, some of them will pop, but then you'll have some that are still not readily popping. The seeds in here, in these, are not ready. They have to be completely dry and ready to pop. You see, I have these out here. That one's dry and that one. Quite a few now. All of these seeds are not complete yet. The stem needs to be perfectly dry, like this one. It's brown, see, all the way down? I cut off everything that I could find where the stems had dried a long ways back, and I have this. There might be a third left there, I'm not sure. This is what I have. And you can see the seeds are still hanging through it, so I have to sift it around to get the seeds down. I'll sift the seeds down some, then I can pick up the few on top where there is no seeds. I'll just throw them down there in the wheelbarrow and work my way down through like that. Now, no doubt I will get some seeds in among this, and that is how, when you're growing your own seeds, that you end up getting volunteer plants growing up all over the place. Now I don't know how much noise this little bit of breeze is making in the mic there, but it's going to help me. Because I have this second bowl. And I can get some of the chaff to blow away. The breeze is not hard enough to blow away these big ones though, apparently. Breeze is moving the camera a bit now. It's almost a week later now, probably is a week later. The temperature is dropping here and there's rain in the forecast for tomorrow. These have finished drying out, so I'm going to harvest the rest of them now. In fact, some of them, the pods are breaking on their own. When you bring the seed in the house, you can do it outside too, I guess. So you can put it in a smaller container like this. can get the big shaft more collected instead of spread out, and then your seed are in a deeper pile in the bottom. Put it up on the corner. The lighter seed, when you do that, it'll blow around, and then the lighter chaff, it'll blow around and it'll blow right out of the container. There. Now, you got a 1 cup measure. Let's see how much we have. This is the seed I got the other day in our first trial. So there's 1 cup. Two cups. Almost 2 1/4 cups. 250 milliliters in a cup, so 625 millimeters maybe. 600 milliliters from 6 plants. I don't know why my other set didn't germinate, so I'm going to get some brown paper bags to store these in and put one of those silica gel things in with it, so any moisture will be absorbed by the gel pack and the brown paper bag. That's how you grow your own rutabaga and turnip seed. They're both the same. I hope you found that helpful. If you did, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.